Alright, today we're gonna make another sneezing powder one, except this time, Naral's gonna do it, because he claims that it doesn't affect him at all.
Yeah.
So we're gonna give him a little extra.
Fuck no,
so, can I have the bottle?
Look.
Okay, you got it yourself. A little more.
This is how much I gave you.
I know, but you claim it doesn't affect you, so put a little more on. Come on.
I'll do it later if this stuff doesn't
Come on,
affect
just
me.
put a little more on, please.
Not right now. I don't want to get it over.
Come on, the people want it.
Oh, fuck the people. I care about myself. I don't want to die.
You're not gonna die.
Bleeding.
Dude, you're such a fag. I took that like 6 times in the same day. It didn't do anything.
No, it matters on how much you take at it. Take it at it once.
Alright, whatever.
Pussy.
You eat it? Oh, you're sniffing it. Okay, good. Alright, you can kind of see it on his nose. You can't it's hard to see brown on brown, but come on. Just give it a couple seconds to react. Chipmunk! I mean, squirrel! Where'd it go?
Go get it.
It's eating something. That's my second favorite thing. Eating! I'm just messing. Making videos. Nope. Yeah, it's my second. That's why I just said it's my second. Nice, you scared away the squirrel. Shh. Shut up. Alright, cool. Alright, back to topic.
It doesn't affect me, so I'm gonna take
I see your face going like, yeah, like you're gonna sneeze. Alright, come on. Who cares about the cat?
I do.
See your feet. Alright. I think you're just doing that and then throwing it off. His face looks retarded right now. He's gotta sneeze, but he doesn't, but he gotta. Now that I think about it, I never even see you sneeze.
Yeah.
I don't think once. Oh, nope. Take a little more. Come on.
It fucking burns.
Exactly. So take a little more. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, we're kind of running out of ideas. Well, I mean, we're not running out of ideas, but we would like to have another video that's pretty cool like this. So if you would like, if you have a good idea that you don't want to do, don't cough, sneeze. Oh, I can smell it in the air. If you have any good ideas, why don't you put them down in comments, and we will try it. Now, it can't really involve buying stuff. I mean, we got some stuff. We got his car. We got houses.
We got 2 cars.
Fences. 2. You got 2.
And yours.
Oh, right. I was going to say, you can't afford 3. But yeah. No, Noral, you can't even afford 1 car. Your parents can, but you can't. We got a bike. We got a chair, a grill, a hill. I'm just gonna rhyme. We got a bike, a trike. Hold up. A bike, a trike, a chair, some hair, a grill, a hill.
Okay, as you can see,
so we got a bunch of stuff that we could use.
As you can see, it doesn't affect me, so fuck the sneezing powder, it doesn't work on me.
And we have, like, usual household items. So, thanks for watching.